What's going on, everybody? This is Tamaya Robles. I'm a credit expert. I am the owner of FixMyCreditNow850.com. I am the host of my podcast, Coast to Coast Credit, and I'm also NAREB High Desert Chapter President out here in Victorville, California. What's good, everybody? So, listen, I want to do a quick video because I remember a couple episodes back, I told y'all that your credit score affects your interest rate and how they work hand in hand. And I had a chart back in the day, and I did a video back in the day with the chart showing you what your interest rate looks like when you purchase a car, when you purchase a home, based off of that credit score range that you may fall under. And I was like, yeah, just go find that video. And I couldn't even find the video. So I found the chart because the chart was old. Like I did this a minute ago and I thought I saved it, but I didn't. But I found it and now I want to share that with you guys. So let's hop on over to this website. Now, I do want to give credit where credit is due. If you go to bankruptcyillinoisattorney.com, you will see this chart. And that's where I got it from even a while back. And what they do is they give credit to credit.org. They give credit, no pun intended. They gave credit and acknowledged the fact that they got this from credit.org. The only reason why I didn't use the chart off of credit.org to be specific is because their chart looks different than this. This is more aesthetically pleasing and to the eye, and it just makes it an easy read. So it helps me to explain things much better. That's all. The only thing that I didn't agree with is the side here on the left, how they list the certain credit score ranges from poor, subprime, and acceptable. That's not that's not accurate. So we'll get into that too. But yeah, so now we're here. So keep in mind, I'm not a mortgage lender. I am not a bank. I don't approve or deny anything. I just dispute your negative items. I fix your credit, how build your credit. But um, I work closely with mortgage lenders. So if you want to get the exact numbers as far as your interest rate is concerned, contact a lender. You can go to Sean, you can go to Ashland. These are lenders that I trust and I support them and vice versa. So this is just general. So don't don't apply for something be like to my you said it was going to be no, that's not what I'm saying. This is a general idea of if you are at this credit score, this is more than likely the interest rate range you will be in. So anyway, let's get into it. So poor credit ranges 300 550, and if you were to apply for a mortgage, your interest rate would probably be around 9.5%. A car loan, you'll be around 18.9%. You'll have high insurance rates, and your credit card APR will be about 28.9%. Now, let's get back here. And if you look here at the fine print, always look at the fine print. They're talking about if you have a home or you're trying to get a loan for around 259,000, that's about what your interest rate will be. There's other factors to it, but overall, this is what your interest rate will be with this type of credit score. Okay. Now, same thing with the auto loan. As you can see here, they're talking about if you have a $13,000 car. That's a hoopty. You know what I'm saying? We all know that's a hoorah right there. But it's just giving you an idea of what it would be. Now, I have a story. I talked about it. Check out my podcast, looking and through the archives, and I will tell you that the longer version of what I'm about to tell you now.